Hi, I'm Chef Steve Latona here at the Culinary Arts Institute of Montgomery County Community College. I am a full-time culinary instructor in the Culinary and Pastry Arts program of the college. Here at the Culinary Arts Institute, we use hands-on live learning labs and live action practices in our kitchen classrooms, with the addition of state-of-the-art kitchen equipment, tools, and plating techniques. We also use Blackboard for assignments and discussion boards on gastronomy, culinary arts, and pastry arts. In today's lab, in our classroom that we are in, we are doing American regional cuisines, and we are exploring different cuisines and techniques of America, as well as in our other labs, we explore different cuisines of the globe, European, different techniques, and anything having to do with plating styles and cooking techniques. If you have any more questions about culinary arts or pastry arts, please contact me at slatona@mc3.edu.